Hello there, welcome to my channel, welcome to Yoga with Anja. I'm very happy to have you here today, and I hope that this practice will give you back some trust, some inner trust and positivity. Let's all join in that kind of online community together. And I think because if we do something, even though you might be at home at the moment and don't have access to someone you love or someone you would like to be with in a close proximity, close distance, let's just practice for ourselves, and through that try to spread some good energy into the world out there. I'm very happy to be here. Make sure you get comfortable in a seated posture, and I will see you in a moment. So once you've found into a comfortable seated posture, we're going to begin right away with our eyes closed. Or if you feel like eyes closed at the moment, don't feel that comfortable for yourself. Just draw your attention onto a single spot of focus out in front of you. And then as we close our eyes collectively, let's just take a moment to arrive. A moment to drop into this practice, and a moment to be okay with whatever is currently around you, passing through your mind, any thoughts, any physical feelings that are there. Just allow yourself to be here with us. And then allow the crown of your head to lift up towards the ceiling. Grow nice and tall in your seat. Align your head over your heart and your heart over your sits bones, the area of your hips. We're going to look through any areas or for any areas where you might hold tension in the body. So that could be the shoulders, it could be the hips, the area of the belly, where you want to try to simply relax a little bit more. Invite some softness into the body by relaxing the shoulders, by relaxing the hands, the knees, the neck, the throat, your thoughts. And imagine that feeling of softness, maybe relaxation, to wash all over your body. So you can simply be here in that comfortable seated posture of yours, rather than physically having to hold yourself up too much. Now as you close your eyes, or have your eyes closed for a moment, notice if any patterns are changing. As you become still, sometimes it happens that the mind is getting even more active. The complete opposite though could happen for you as well, that you feel trust, that you feel supported for those few moments we share here together. And now I would like you to have a feeling or a thought of what trust means to you in your current life, in your current situation. Notice if it's there or if it's rather a bit far away at the moment for you to reach. And choose or pick a memory, a moment that could be right now, that could be in the past, where you feel that you have that trust, you have that feeling of support, of just comfort within your body. Don't worry if nothing quickly pops up. We're going to work on that together. And then as you've chosen something, a moment, a feeling, or just a current state of yours, see if you can try to really breathe that trust in. So you're inhaling deeply through the nose. You're exhaling through the nose. Nice energizing breath for 9 more rounds. You're inhaling through the nose, breathing in trust. Exhaling. Take 8 more rounds. Follow your own breath. Imagine that feeling, maybe a color or a moment in your life where you really felt that trust, that security, that support, and breathe it into your body, into each and every cell of yours. Let's take a couple more of those rounds. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. 1 more round. Inhale. And exhale all the way out. From here you can gently open your eyes again. Become aware of the space around you, the sounds around you. And what I would like to show you with this video, it's a very short practice and a practice that you can very well do yourself, is that if you already have the thought, a positive thought behind an action, or if you just sit down and you're thinking and feeling through that it really changes our patterns in the inner body, our thoughts, our mind. And I think it's so important, especially during those times, that we stay positive, keep our good spirits up, and I hope this practice helped you to do that. Keep doing it, keep following the videos that come up here, and hopefully I can support you from the distance, from my heart to yours. Namaste.